Okay, I love. Then what happened?
After this, he heard the voice of Lynette Ward singing. He was very happy.
Okay, very good, Abhilав, very good, beta. Yes, the Sejal. Okay, you start from there where this Abhilав has dropped. Okay, you start from there. Then what happened when he heard the Lynette song? Then what happened?
When the giant heard the Lynette song, then he ran away to his garden. Then he see that children had put up a hole in the wall, and the spring has come in his garden. Birds are singing. Then he decided to break the wall, and then he break the wall, and then he allowed the children to play in his garden.
Okay, then you tell me this thing. When did he became a changed man? When did he become?
When the giant see the children had came to his garden, and the spring also come, and the linnets were singing.
Okay, but the giant was who was giant's favorite kid? You can say who was giant's favorite child?
The giant's favorite kid was that was a messenger of God.
Okay, very good, beta. Now, beta, listen this story. Okay, very good. You have summarized quite well, Abhilava and Sejal. Okay, now the story Selfish Giant is all about the story of a self. Whenever you want to summarize your story, then you will start like this. The Selfish Giant is a story of a giant who was considered to be a selfish, okay, giant, and a little boy. And little boy was, who was the little boy? Little boy was none other than the messenger of God, okay, Jesus Christ. Okay, the main story revolves around this messenger of the God and selfish giant. Then as Abhilava has told that selfish giant had gone to meet his friend, and when he came back after 7 years, then what did he see? Then he saw that the children were playing in his garden. Then he became very angry. Okay, he became very he told in a gruff voice to the children that leave this garden immediately. Then he put up a wall around it and then he built a wall around it and put up a notice board on it. Okay, in the notice board it was written that trespassers will be prosecuted, means those who are not allowed to enter the boundary of selfish giant, they will be prosecuted, means he will file a case against that person. Okay, then what happened? Then weather changed. Okay, everywhere there was spring, and in the giant's garden there was still winter. Okay, spring forgot to this autumn, ye jo seasons you must have read, wo jo seasons they forgot to come in his garden. Okay, then he became very tensed. Okay, he thought that this spring has forgot to come to my garden. Okay, tab you say he was not, tab you say kuch tension nahi hoti ki why the spring is not coming in my garden. Sabke mein autumn aa gaya, spring aa gaya, but in my garden only winter is there, snow is there, frost is there. When one day he was sleeping, वो सोया हुआ था, and then he heard Lynette's voice. उसको Lynette की आवाज सुनाई देती है. वो क्योंकि birds forgot to sing in that garden. Birds ने भी वहां पर गाना छोड़ दिया था. The trees forgot to blossom. Trees ने खिलना, फूल देना छोड़ दिया था. Okay, हर एक चीज जो थी, there was only frost and snow. Okay, थी फिर बहुत ज्यादा blow करती थी ताकि जो वहां पे जो garden
Somebody mic is on.
Ma'am Priyanshu Gondal.
Priyanshu. Priyanshu, what is this? Nitish Chaudhary. Priyanshu, otherwise I have to remove you from the class. Abhinav, turn on your camera. Arman, Arpit Kumar, Avni. Kavya Chaudhary, turn on your camera. Muskan. Okay. Okay, I have removed Priyanshu Gondal. Okay, Ritesh Chaudhary, turn on your camera. Kavya Chaudhary, Srijan Saini, turn on your cameras. Srijan Saini. Okay, then what did he see? उसने क्या देखा? He saw that children had made a hole. उन्होंने एक hole बना दी थी दीवार में, and from that hole they are creeping inside the garden. Okay, वहां जब चिल्ड्रन ने क्या किया, होल बना दिया, एंड फ्रॉम दैट होल बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे, उस होल से दे आर कमिंग टू द गार्डन, और वो गार्डन में आ रहे थे. नाउ जायंट चुपचाप वो देखता रहता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा और जायंट है ना, तो उसने बच्चों ने तो डर के भाग जाना था, वो बिल्कुल साइलेंट रहता है, चुपके से आता है. देन व्हाट डिड ही सी, जो फ्लावर्स थे, जो ट्री फ्लावर्स थे, वो एकदम ट्रीज ने फ्लावर्स दे दिए, और स्प्रिंग आ गया, बहुत ग्रीन हो गया उसका जो गार्डन, दैट बिकेम ग्रीन, और फ्लावर्स वगैरह खिल गए. और जो ये ट्रीज थे, दे वर कवर्ड विथ फ्रॉस्ट, एंड जो स्नो के साथ कवर्ड थे वो भी खत्म हो गया, वो सब ग्रीन हो गया, बहुत सुंदर उसका गार्डन. अगेन उसका गार्डन इट बिकेम वेरी गुड. ओके, तो क्यों, देन व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट, only in one corner of the garden, okay, only in the one corner of the garden there was still winter. वहां पर अभी भी विंटर था, ठीक है, वो मतलब वो जो पेड़ था उसमें स्टिल स्नो वॉज देयर. अब वहां पर भी विंटर था. अब जायंट उसको देखता तो वहां पे एक लिटिल बॉय वाज देयर, एंड ही वाज नॉट एबल टू क्लाइंब द ट्री. ठीक है, वो ट्री के ऊपर नहीं पहुंच पा रहा था, और जो ट्री था वो अपनी ब्रांचेस को, ही वाज लोअरिंग देम डाउन, वो ब्रांचेस को लोअर कर रहा था, ताकि ये बच्चा जो है उसको टच कर ले, और उसके उसमें भी स्प्रिंग आ जाए. ठीक है, वो भी मतलब खिल जाए. बट क्या था, लिटिल बॉय वाज सो लिटिल, ठीक है, यू कैन से सो शॉर्ट इन हाइट दैट ही वाज नॉट एबल टू क्लाइंब दैट ब्रांच ऑफ द ट्री. तो फिर वहां पर स्टिल अभी उस कॉर्नर में विंटर था. अब जायंट का हार्ट जो था दैट मेल्टेड, ओके, वो जायंट का हार्ट मेल्ट हो गया, एंड ही थॉट कि हाउ सेल्फिश ही वाज, वो सोचते कि मैं कितना सेल्फिश था. फिर वो क्या करता है, उस बच्चे को उठाता है और उस पेड़ की ब्रांच में उसको बिठा देते हैं, और एकदम से क्या होता है, वो जो फ्लावर था, वो जो ट्री था, उसमें भी विंटर वो आ जाता है, स्प्रिंग आ जाता है, वो खिल जाता है, और बर्ड्स दे स्टार्टेड टू चर्प, ऐसा हो जाता है. ओके, अब बच्चे उसको देख के फटाफट भागते हैं, क्योंकि अब उसने उसको उनको मना किया था, और ग्रफ वाइज में बोला था, बहुत गुस्से से बोला था कि बाहर निकल जाओ मेरे गार्डन से. अब बच्चे उसको देखकर फिर भागते हैं, लेकिन फिर वो एकदम रुक जाते हैं जब वो देखते हैं कि वो जो जायंट है, ही वाज प्लेइंग विद दैट लिटिल किड, और वापस आ जाते हैं. और उस दिन से क्या होता था, वो बच्चे रोज स्कूल जाते थे, व्हेन दे कैम बैक फ्रॉम द स्कूल, तो वहां पे जायंट्स के गार्डन में खेलते थे. बट जायंट मिस दैट बॉय, ओके, उस लड़के को मिस करता था, whom he had put on the branch of a tree. उस लड़के को बहुत मिस करता था. क्यों? क्योंकि जब उसने लड़के को, when he put that little boy on the branch of tree, उसने उसको हक किया था, तो लिटिल जो जायंट था उसको बहुत लाइक करता था. बट from that very day, he was not seen again in that garden. दोबारा उसको वो दिखता नहीं है. तो वो और बच्चों से पूछते हैं कि वो where is that little boy कहाँ है, whom I had put on the branch of a tree. लेकिन बच्चे बोलते हैं कि हमें नहीं पता, we don't know. My voice is not audible. Then better please change your room, okay? There may be network issue from your side. Okay, change your room where network is clear. Go to that room, you come outside. Now he asked from the children, बच्चों से पूछते हैं कि where is that little, वो छोटा सा लड़का कहाँ है. तो बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं कि we don't know, हमने उसको we had seen him only once in that garden. हमने एक ही बार उसको देखा था, and we don't know where he live, हमें नहीं पता वो कहाँ पर रहता है. अब जायंट जो था वो थोड़ा उदास हो जाता है. अब वो बच्चों के साथ he used to play, but in reality he missed that little boy. वो छोटे से लड़के को बहुत मिस करता था. years passed, and then he became old, okay, and due to old age he became feeble. अब वो कमजोर हो गया, and now he was not able to play in his garden. अब वो गार्डन में खेल नहीं सकता, अब बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया था. he became very old and feeble, then he was not able to play. तब वो क्या करता था, अपनी आर्म चेयर पे, होती है ना हमारी एक रोलिंग चेयर होती है, ऐसे आराम वाली चेयर होती है, उसमें बैठते हैं, तो वो अपनी एक चेयर में बैठा रहता था, and he used to watch the children playing in his garden. अब देखता था बच्चों को कि बच्चे मेरे गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं. अब फिर वो खुद में अपने आप में क्या बोलता है कि मेरा गार्डन, माय गार्डन इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, मेरे गार्डन बहुत सुंदर है. लेकिन जो चिल्ड्रन, जो बच्चे हैं, वो गार्डन से भी ज्यादा प्यारे हैं. ओके, जो बच्चे हैं जो उसमें खेल रहे हैं, वो क्या है, वो गार्डन से भी बहुत प्यारे हैं, वो मेरे गार्डन से भी सबसे सुंदर और सबसे प्यारे हैं. अब ऐसे बहुत ओल्ड हो जाता है. देन वन डे व्हाट ही हैपेंड, एक बार वो छोटे से बच्चे उसको दिखते हैं एंड हिज पाम्स, उसके जो पाम्स होते हैं और उसके जो फीट्स होते हैं वहां पे नेल्स के निशान होते हैं. ओके, इन द एंड इट हैज बीन शोन दैट उसके जो पाम्स थे एंड फीट से उसमें देवर प्रिंट्स ऑफ नेल. ओके, तो वो एकदम आता है, वो बोलता है हाउ हु डेयर यू डू दैट, ये किसने किसने हिम्मत की तुम्हें ऐसा करने की, किसने तुम्हारे हु हैड वुंडेड यू, तुम्हें किसने जख्म दिया. देन वो हंसता है और वो बोलता है दीज आर द वुंड्स ऑफ लव, ये प्यार के घाव है. और फिर देन वो पूछते हैं, देन दिस जायंट आस्क्स दैट हु वाज ही, वो कौन है. तो वो बता देते हैं कि एक बार तुमने मुझे अपने गार्डन में खेलने दिया था एंड नाउ आई एम टेकिंग यू टू माय गार्डन एंड माय गार्डन इज पैराडाइज. ओके, वो छोटा बच्चा बोलता है कि एक बार तुमने मुझे अपने गार्डन में खेलने दिया था, अब नाउ मैं तुम्हें अपने गार्डन में लेकर जा रहा हूँ एंड दैट इज पैराडाइज. वो क्या है, वो स्वर्ग है, हेवन है. और थोड़े दोपहर में देखते हैं तो एक जायंट जो था एक बड़े पेड़ के नीचे, ही वाज लाइंग डेड एंड विद व्हाइट ब्लॉसम्स, विद कवर्ड विद व्हाइट ब्लॉसम्स. ओके, उसके ऊपर व्हाइट कलर के फूल पड़े थे और वो एक बड़ी एक पेड़ के नीचे वो मर गया था. ओके, this was your story, the selfish giant. Okay, this is all about the story of I told you selfish giant and that little boy, the messenger of the god. In the last, the messenger of god took him to his paradise. Okay, now come to its word meanings. Okay, Vardhan, what is its first word? First word kya hai beta? See from your copy. See from your, yes
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
selfish.
selfish.
beta. Listen beta, no, nobody will say like this. Don't create commotion in the class. Okay, ये आपका first I think, yes, your first word of first chapter. Don't create commotion in the class, don't create mess in the class. Okay, I asked from Vardhan. Okay, yes Vardhan, what is our first word meaning of this chapter?
Ma'am, selfish.
Okay, now see from your copy and say about its word meaning. क्या मतलब होता है selfish का? What does it mean?
Ma'am, one who care only about himself.
Okay, जो सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता है, one who cares only about himself, that is called selfish. Okay, now selfish sentence, frame its sentence.
It was selfish of you when your mother was ill.
Okay, it was selfish of you to go out when your mother was ill. Or you can say किसका नाम ले, whose name should I take? The giant was very selfish. Okay, you can write the giant was very selfish or my friend is very selfish. Okay, नाम जिसके ऊपर आपको बहुत गुस्सा चल रहा है तो क्या लिखोगे? My friend, particular name, is very selfish. Okay, now second word, Himani. Himani. Ogre.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Himani. Second word, ogre. Ogre means a frightening giant. जो बहुत डरावना, so giant means राक्षसो. That is called ogre. Okay, gruff. Time is going to lapse, and tomorrow I will ask you about this chapter. Okay, the selfish giant. Today we are discussing, and tomorrow I will ask. Gruff. Gruff means gruff and low pitch of voice. Okay, my brother is very selfish. Lakshay. Okay. Okay, Lakshay is saying my brother is very selfish. Okay, vendor. Vendor means walk aimlessly, means बिना किसी बात के ऐसे घूमते फिरते रहना. Roam, you can say. Okay, that is vendor. Now then is seized. Okay, brought to an end. Then feeble, you know this thing that selfish giant had become feeble. You can frame your own sentences. अच्छा, आप अपने sentences बना सकते हो. तुमने मेरे वाले sentences नहीं बनाने. You can make your own sentence. My grandfather has become feeble due to old age. Okay, then is Hassan.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible to me.
Who is saying this thing?
Ma'am, Muskan Gondal. Ma'am,
Muskan Condal.
Ma'am,
And what?
3241.
Okay, Muskan. And what about others? Am I audible to them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clearly.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Now, beta, come to practice zone 1. Beta, come to practice zone 1. Beta, Muskan, you please try to change your room. Practice zone 1. Why was the giant called selfish? Okay. Tomorrow I will ask. Today I am saying, why was the giant called selfish? Giant को क्यों selfish बोलते थे? Because. Never start your answer with because. Okay. आपने पेपर में some students have started their answer from because, but you should not start your answer with because. Why was the giant called selfish? Suryansh Rana.
Ma'am, the giant called selfish because he not let children to play in his garden.
Okay, the giant was called selfish because he prevented the children to play in his garden. He built a wall and put a notice board in it. You can write like this, okay? Kritika, what did the children do when the giant forbade them to play in the garden? Okay, now listen students, when the giant forbade them to play in the garden, then what did the children do? तो बच्चों ने क्या किया जब giant ने मना कर दिया कि nobody will play in my garden, then what did the children? Kritika, tomorrow I will. Kritika, then what did the giant children do? The giant ने मना कर दिया, then
The poor children become very sad when the selfish giant forbade them to play in this garden.
Okay, then what did they do? तुम क्या लिखोगे? You will write like this. When the giant forbade them to play in the garden, then the children tried to play on the road, okay? But the road was dusty and full of hard stones, okay? What happened to the garden when the children stopped visiting it? अब garden को क्या हुआ? When the children stopped visiting it, then क्या हुआ था अवंतिका चौधरी? आप बताओ बेटा. What happened to the garden after the children stopped visiting it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait a minute. I'm asking from Avantika. Then Avantika, what happened, beta? Okay. See from your copy. I'm not asking this time. See from your copy. Copy से देख कर बताओ मुझे. Copy से देखो and tell. Avantika, do fast, beta. Have to discuss adjectives also. What happened to the garden? See from your copy and then tell. What happened to the garden? Wait a minute. Avantika is supposed to say.
Ma'am, Lakshya, tell.
I will ask. Wait a minute, Lakshya. Avantika, see from your copy.
The poor children become very sad.
No, beta. What happened to the garden? You have to tell about the garden. What happened to that garden? जब बच्चों ने वहां खेला, they stopped playing in that garden. Then what was the reaction of the garden? Garden का क्या reaction था? क्या हुआ उसमें? What happened at that? अवंतिका? Okay. तब क्या हुआ बेटा? देखो, listen. When the children stopped playing in the garden, then what happened? Then winter stayed. Okay, वहां पर winter आ. Okay, and winter stayed and never left the garden. Garden को छोड़ के नहीं गया. Okay. फिर वहां पर और क्या? Birds did not care to sing. Birds ने वहां पर गाना नहीं गाया. And the trees forgot to blossom. Okay. Who is disturbing the class? Turn on your camera. Aditya Mehra. Ritesh Chaudhary. Again and again, same thing we have to tell that turn on your camera. Now listen fourth question. Okay. Listen to fourth question. Tomorrow I will ask from you. So listen it carefully. Why did the giant feel sad even when the children came to play in his garden? Okay. Why did the giant feel sad? अब giant को क्यों बुरा लगा? Even the children were playing in his garden. Because he was missing that little boy. Okay, because he was missing that little boy whom he had put on the branch of a tree. वो उसको miss कर रहा था. Next, what effect did the linnet song have over the hail and the north wind? Okay, अब ये कौन बताएगा? अब लिनेट सॉन्ग का क्या इफेक्ट? जब लिनेट छोटी एक बर्ड है गाना गाने वाली, तो जब उसने गाना गाया, then what effect did it have on hail and the north wind? Hail था और नॉर्थ विंड था, नॉर्थ विंड के ऊपर व्हाट इफेक्ट डिड इट हैव, क्या हुआ? हेल स्टॉप्ड, नॉर्थ विंड बिगेन जो सीज टू रोर, और नॉर्थ विंड जो थी उत्तर की हवा वो जोर जोर से रोर कर रही थी उसके गार्डन में, उसके घर पर, तो वो क्या थी, वो बंद हो गई. ओके, दैट बिगेन टू सीज. नाउ adjectives, come to adjectives, page number 26. Adjectives. Now who will tell me what are adjectives? Ishika Kondal. Ishika Kondal, adjectives. Okay, आज मैंने explain करना है, तो let me explain. Adjectives are, okay, let me share the screen with you.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, okay, who is saying can I? Payal?
Adjectives are describing words.
Okay, means adjectives are describing words. Okay. Okay, they are describing words. What does it mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? वो describing words हैं. ठीक है, adjective. Wait a minute. Adjective describing words हैं. It is correct. What does it mean? क्या मतलब है इसका?
Ma'am, Lakshya can tell.
Okay, Lakshya. Okay, Lakshya.
Adjectives are describing words. They describe, modify, identify, and quantify a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. They answer the follow. They answer the question: how many, what kind, and which one.
How many, what kind, which one? Okay, from where you have seen. Okay. Now, beta, adjectives क्या होते हैं? Let me see. Screen can be shared with you or not. Let me see. Beta, wait a minute, okay? Okay, by this. Okay, मैं ऐसे बता देती हूँ. Listen, adjectives. Listen, बेटा. Adjectives, ध्यान से सुनो. It describes nouns. Okay, it describes noun by giving some information. ये कोई information देते हैं about noun. ठीक है, किसी object का size दे दिया, shape, age, color. ठीक है, they are called adjectives. Suppose मैं बोलती हूँ Tanishka is a beautiful girl. Suppose I say like this, that Tanishka is a beautiful girl. अब Tanishka क्या है? Tanishka is a noun. Okay? But please don't say this thing again. I think there is network issue from your side. You please try to change your room. अपना room change करो बेटा. Suppose I say Tanishka is an intelligent girl. Suppose I say like this. अब Tanishka is a girl. We know this thing. Okay, लेकिन बीच में मैंने क्या बोला? तनिष्का is an intelligent girl. Girl तो है और तनिष्का.
Muskan, mic is on.
Your voice is not audible.
Tanishka is an intelligent girl. Now, अब तनिष्का तो girl है. ठीक है, तनिष्का is a girl. But what sort of girl she is? कैसी लड़की है? Intelligent girl है. Okay, तो intelligent क्या हुआ? Adjective हुआ. क्यों? उसने noun के बारे में बताया, उसने तनिष्का के बारे में बताया. तो adjective क्या करता है? It describes noun. Noun को describe करता है कि तनिष्का, ध्यान से सुनना. Okay, तनिष्का intelligent girl है. तो तनिष्का तुम्हें पता है नाउन इज अ नेम, तनिष्का प्रॉपर नाउन है. तो तनिष्का कैसी है? इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल है. सो इंटेलिजेंट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. सपोज आई से दिस Nivedita, let me take the name of a boy. Okay, suppose I say Lakshya is a brave boy. Okay, Lakshya is a brave boy. अब Lakshya boy तो है. Okay, Lakshya is a noun. But what type of boy he is? Brave है. लक्ष्य क्या है? Brave है. So brave क्या हुआ? Adjective हुआ. Okay, क्यों? those words describing, उसने describe किया. Those words which describes noun, okay, they are called adjectives. Okay. अब मैंने बोला कि Shivanshi is quite healthy. Suppose I say like this. Shivanshi is quite healthy. Okay. Shivanshi है पर कैसी है? अच्छी healthy है. ठीक है. अच्छी सेहत है उसकी. Quite healthy. तो healthy क्या हुआ? Adjective हुआ. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you getting? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So means adjective क्या करता है बेटा? वो noun को describe करता है. Okay. अब वो quantity के भी हो सकते हैं. मैं बोलती हूँ she gave me 6 oranges. Okay. She gave me 6 oranges means 6 क्या है? Adjective है. तो adjectives क्या होते हैं? 3 types के होते हैं. Let me share my screen. अब पता नहीं इसमें. Wait a minute, बेटा. Suppose now my screen is visible to you. Okay, ये देखते हैं. ठीक है. अब तुम्हें दिखता है तो. देखो बेटा, adjectives बता दिया. Adjectives of quality. Okay, quality देखो. You are a kind man. Okay, quality बता रहा है. The girl is intelligent. Quality बता रहा है. He wore a black coat. This is quality. 3 types of adjectives come. Adjectives of quality. You are a kind man. Quality, कैसा आदमी है? बहुत दयालु है, kind है. The girl is intelligent. कैसी है वो लड़की? Intelligent है. He wore a black coat. कैसा coat है? Black coat है. Then quantity. अब वो quantity बताएगा. She gave me much trouble. Please lend me some money. And now much and some are quantity. वो quantity बता रहा है कि उसने मुझे बहुत ज्यादा trouble दिया. उसने थोड़े से मुझे पैसे दिए. अब now come to this number. अब number क्या बताएगा? Please lend me 5 rupees. ये number बता रहा है आपको 5 rupees. I haven't any bananas. number बता रहा है. Okay, तो adjective of number हो गया. Adjective of quality. It is showing the quality. Adjectives of quantity. कितनी quantity है? Adjectives of number. ये number बता रहा है. Demonstrative, you know this thing, this, that, these, those. For singular subject, we use this. The thing which is near to us, we will use this. This pen is red. अगर वो चीज आपसे दूर है, that girl is tall. Okay. This, that, these, those. Interrogative adjectives. What are interrogative adjectives? In interrogative adjectives, we ask question. Okay. हम interrogative में questions पूछते हैं. Now, this was all about your chapter number 2. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask, and please you side by side read observations book also. Okay. If you want to discuss observations book, then we can. Now, anything you want to ask from this chapter? Okay. Practice zone 2. जो बहुत students ने गलत किया था, practice zone 2. See this page number 28. We should hurry up if we want to catch dash bus. अब ध्यान से देखना, पेपर में UT में बहुत स्टूडेंट्स ने ये रॉन्ग किया था. ओके, पहले समझ लेना. We should hurry up if we want to catch dash bus. Object is at a distance. Now object आपसे दूर है. देखो बुक में, see in your books. Object is at a distance means object आपसे दूर है. I told you this thing. Object आपसे दूर है तो then you will use that. क्योंकि वो एक है, सिंगुलर है. एंड इफ इट इज प्लूरल, सपोज प्लूरल होते, मोर देन 2 होते, देन यू हैव टू यूज दोस. ठीक है. ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव है, जो हाथ से डिस्टेंस बताते हैं. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव मीन्स एक तो हाथ से बताते हैं, दूसरा डिस्टेंस बताते हैं. नजदीक की चीज के लिए यू विल यूज दिस अगर वो सिंगुलर है. अगर प्लूरल है, एक से ज्यादा है, तो दीज दूर है, that is far from you, you will use that. And if it is plural, you will use those. Now we should hurry up if we want to catch dash bus. Object is at a distance. Object आपसे दूर है. Bus is written. See in your book, bus is written means एक है, singular है. So that will come. Okay. Now B part. Have you tasted dash sandwiches? Now sandwiches. See, plural is there. Sandwich एक नहीं है, more than one है. और object is near. वो नजदीक है, आपके पास है. और plural है means these. Okay, you will use these. Now dash bike is awesome. Object is near. आपके पास object और bike is one, singular है. Okay, so you will use this. Navisha, okay, this. Now D part, dash bike is fast. Object is far, दूर है object, far, okay. A bike is written, एक bike है, bikes is not written, so we'll use that, okay. Now you should refer to dash book next time. It is very useful. Object is near. अब object आपके पास है तो this. क्यों? तुमने अगला word देखना है, okay. अगर suppose it had been books, then you have to use. Suppose books होता तो अभिलाष, what should we use? Suppose books होता, okay. You should refer to dash books next time. That what we have to use. तब क्या use करते हम? Ishika Kondal. I think there is network issue with Abhilal. Ishika Kondal.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose beta, agar, instead of book, okay. Suppose it had been books. You should refer to dash books next time. Okay, object is near.
Ma'am, you should refer to these books next time.
Very good. And also, this how you will use this. Suppose books is there means plural है तो तुम्हें use करना था these. अब बेटा फिर से देख लो wrap up. आपकी चीज नजदीक है, near to you, this, okay. Suppose ये this sketch is near to me, ठीक है. ध्यान से देख लो. Tomorrow I will ask, तो पेपर में गलत, ये मेरे पास है, this is near to me, this is a sketch pen, okay. I suppose two है लेकिन ये मेरे near है, they are close to me, okay. Near है, मेरे पास है, these, okay. बहुत explain किया था at that time also, so please remember, don't look here and there. Come to page number 29. यहाँ पर भी आप गलत करते हो. We had to take a dash route to reach our destination. Adjective of quality. Quality क्या? Shorter. Then this is the dash painting in our museum. Superlative degree of valuable. अब तुम्हें superlative degree बतानी है valuable की. Valuable, more valuable, most valuable. अब superlative क्या होता है बेटा? सबसे पहले positive, then comparative, and then superlative. Positive. Suppose I say Tanishka is a tall girl. फिर नविशा आ गई तो मैंने वो बोला कि नविशा इज टॉलर देन तनिष्का. अब शिवांशी आ गई तो मैंने बोला शिवांशी इज टॉल एस मींस सुपरलेटिव. पॉजिटिव में कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं हुआ. नविशा मैंने टॉलर बोला तो नविशा तनिष्का में कंपैरिजन वाज देयर, सो दैट वाज कंपैरेटिव. और